Okay, this is the second part of secretarial practice ASP-01 IGNOU BCOM tutorial series. And okay, we are going to discuss about the importance of a secretary in an organization, right? Okay, so let's get started. And obviously it deals with the unit 1, that is nature and scope of secretarial work. And an importance of a secretary. Okay, actually the nature and functions of a secretary differ with each individual institutions to which he is attached. Okay, the nature and its functions differ with the institution. Okay, that we have to consider. Mostly he works behind the scene. Okay, actually his work is not visualized, not can be seen from outside of an institution, but a secretary nowadays is an indispensable part of any organization. He's an indispensable part of any organization, be it commercial, social, or political, anything, but he is an indispensable part of an organization. Okay, in certain cases he enjoys a legal status. Okay, in certain cases he enjoys a legal status as, for example, a company secretary or a secretary of a government department, while in other institution he is employed to assist the employer to perform certain duties and leaving him free to concentrate on more important matters. Okay, in some institutions a secretary just is employed to take care of the things the main individual or a private individual or company secretary or a main corporate cannot handle due to his hectic schedule. Okay, but in every situation the secretary is most trustworthy person of the institution or the employer whom he or she works for. Okay, so these are the 4 important things to basically to start up with. You have to understand about the importance of secretary. Okay, we'll talk more about in next video.